Google Play Store Refund. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now select any of the game that you'd want to get the refund for and then tap on it. So generally, what you get the option is if you have paid subscription or if you have paid for any sort of games or app, then you can simply get the option of refund. But if you do not get the option of refund, what you can simply do is go back and launch the Chrome browser or any of the other browsers that you feel is more convenient for you. Then what you can simply do is tap on the search bar and search for Play Store Refund. So as you do that, you can see the very first option, so tap on it. And as you do that, you just have to simply scroll down, tap on continue, and you have to confirm your account, then tap on confirm again. And if you have a purchase, you'll be able to see the list of purchases that you have done, and you can select the particular purchase that you want to get refund for, and then just tap on refund and you'll be able to get your refund on your Google Play Store. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.